Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry site, and today we're here with Joost Heerdt. He is one of the owners and commercial director of HatchTech. Thanks for being with us today, Joost.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Very good. Let's start out by talking a little bit about HatchTech. Tell me about your business.
Well, HatchTech is a Dutch company based in the center of Holland. A company which is approximately 25 years old. And we are active in different parts of the poultry industry. But one of our main product lines is the incubation equipment that we sell. So setters, hatchers, the ventilation, the cooling, the heating. So everything that you need to equip an incubation plant. That's our main product. Yep.
Very good. And you're a global company. You mentioned to me before you've been at this show 20 years probably, right?
Yeah, 20 plus years. Yes, we're a global company. We have, of course, our sales team who are active in different regions. So that's sales managers. But there's a lot of distributors all over the world. So there's about 30 countries where we have people who represent us. But we also have our own offices in Beijing, in Germany, in Poland, in Ukraine, Latin America. So yeah, global company.
Very good.
Yep.
Excellent. So tell me a little bit about some of the challenges and issues that you see in the poultry industry, kind of boots on the ground. What do you guys see are the challenges that producers are facing?
Well, challenges. How shall I say? I think that one thing that I see, at least in our field of expertise or activities, is that in the incubation plant in general there are still very much products that are relatively old, whereas genetics have been really developing a lot over the last years. So you see that the equipment that is in hatcheries cannot really cope with the heat that is coming out of embryos. I think that is one of the challenges. And that results in performance-wise maybe things that could go better in incubation. So one way to do that better is to make sure that the incubation equipment that is in hatcheries has the ability to at least cool the embryos that are inside there and to give that genetic potential a chance to survive. And that's also one of the products that we launched here in IPPE. It's called SetCare, and it's really focusing on making sure that we're doing everything possible for the embryos that go into an incubator to survive. And I think there's a lot to gain there. So you have a lot of breeders who lay eggs. We have to make sure as an industry that every egg counts and that we make a chicken from that. And that's what we try to do with innovative products. And yeah, that's SetCare, and that's one of the products that we launched here. Yeah.
Very good. And in the industry that we're in right now, every egg does matter, right?
Yep.
I mean,
Yep.
it's here in the United States, certainly, we've seen egg prices just go through the roof. And so eggs are becoming more and more valuable, it feels.
Well, these egg prices that you talk about are mainly the consumption eggs. So,
Right,
and
right.
we are, of course, more in hatching eggs.
Yeah.
In both, every egg counts, of
Yeah.
course. But if you look purely at hatching eggs, well, you know, an hatching egg is a valuable part of the chain, and we as a company have an influence on that. So we have to make sure that we make incubation equipment that is so good that it's worthwhile incubating it, making sure that we get the maximum number of high quality chickens out and bring that to the field so that they perform well. Yep.
Very good.
Yep.
Any other challenges or issues that you guys see in the industry that you're helping to solve?
Now, I think that, of course, the challenges that we face as an industry, not only here in the US but globally, is of course AI. I think it's a big topic at the moment. But AI will come and will go, and I think it will never disappear again. The other thing that we will probably face again somewhere in the near future is the volatility of prices of raw materials, so feed. And I think that that's a little bit the same as with the egg. You know, we have to make sure that once we put these birds in the field, that they perform well, because the highest percentage of the cost price is still feed. So I think that's what we also try to do with our products, with HatchCare. We try to give birds, or we give the newly born chicks feed and water directly after hatch, and that gives them a better start in life. So once they arrive at the farm, they really perform better and have a better feed conversion. And if you have better feed conversion, that's basically indirect helping you to cope with the volatility of raw material prices. So yeah, better incubation, better birds in the field, and that's what we try to contribute on to face the challenges that the industry has. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thanks for all the information today.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
This is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry Site.